Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn some of the inbuilt methods for the linked list. Like in the array list, we have seen to set a particular value, we have the set method. Similarly, in the linked list also we have set method to set the values. Also, we have get method to get the values from the linked list. We have remove method to remove the elements from the linked list, and then we have a clear method to remove all the elements from the linked list. So here, first method we need to learn is size method. So if you want to check how many values are present inside the linked list, then you need to make use of size method. So if I say here fruit dot size, so this particular method will return me a size of the linked list. So here I have a linked list called fruit. Inside this linked list I have added three values: apple, orange and grapes. And if I say fruit dot size, then what will be the output? Let's run this code. The output is 3 because there are three values stored inside this list. However, the values are stored at index position 0, 1, 2, but the size will be 3 because there are three values. And if I want to get a particular element, let's say I want to check which element is present at this position. If I say fruit dot get, so get, and this particular method needs one argument which is index. Let's say I provide here 1, then what will be the output? So it will return me the value stored at first position. So this is stored at 0th position. So apple is stored at 0, but orange is stored at first position. So it will return me orange. If I provide here 0, then it will return me apple. See, we are getting here apple. So this is the use of get method. Now if I want to set a particular value inside this linked list fruit, so how I can do this? So I need to say here fruit dot set, and it requires two arguments. First one is index and second is element. So you need to specify the index at which you want to store the value. Let's say I want to store at index position 0. If I say a 0, and then I need to pass the value as well, and I will set the value, let's say banana. Provide here semicolon. Let's run the code now. So we are getting banana, orange and grapes. So apple is not printed now. So what is happening in this case? First time apple is added, then orange is added, then grapes. And now we have setting the index position 0 to banana. So what is happening? The apple is replaced by banana. So in the first position we have banana, then orange and then grapes. So in this way you can set the value as well of the existing values. Another method is remove method. Now let's say we want to remove any particular values from our linked list. Then you can say fruit.remove. So first method is remove here, and inside this method you can pass the values. Let's say I want to remove the orange, so I can pass that value orange here. If I try to run this code now, so orange will be deleted from this list. So see, now we are getting just two values inside the linked list, apple and grapes, because we have removed the orange value. We can also pass the index position here. Let's say you don't want to pass the value directly. So here you need to make use of method remove, and here this method you need to use which accepts one parameter. So here you need to provide index. So if I provide here index 2, then it will remove the value at this position. So at this position the value is grapes, right? Now let's run this code. So we are getting here apple and orange. Grape is now removed. What if I want to remove all the values present inside this linked list? Then I need to make use of clear method. I will remove this fruit dot clear. So this will remove all the values that are present inside this linked list. If I try to print the linked list now, so it says empty because we have removed or deleted all the values that are present inside the linked list. That's it in this video. In the another video or next video, we will learn more methods about the linked list. Thank you for watching.